couple of weeks back, we laid our hands on the ROG Strix G with its over-the-top specification and price tag. That's where today a contender comes in. Meet the ROG Strix G edition. This laptop aims to give you gaming risk-filled without breaking the bank. This is suddenly from the Tech Archives and you are watching the review of the Asus ROG G edition.
All alive. The devil's in the detail, and good inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi?
The build quality of the ROG G feels very rugged. The entire body of the laptop is constructed out of the hard polycarbonate material, including the outer lid, and the way that Asus has chosen to design it with the brush matte finish. Even though the design is very understated, there is a minimal flex on the keyboard. The bezels on the laptop are quite thin on the three sides, except for the bottom, which is substantial amount of waste space. Instead of traditional 16:9 aspect ratio laptop, this laptop lacks any sort of camera, which is to be noted, and it doesn't provide any such other accessory in the box. This laptop has 256GB SSD pre-installed, which is fairly fast. The display is good enough for indoor use, especially in the dark to moderately lit, but not bright enough to be used in very lit condition. The matte coating on the display helps reduce glare to fair extent, but can't compensate for the low brightness. The colors look vivid on the bit panel, and the black looks fairly average for an IPS panel. It bundles a program for tweaking the colors and white balance according to your liking. It's called the ROG Game Visuals.
Hear that? It's a pack. Just what we need. A draw. We're lucky the mutant paid.
Enemigo cerca de la